Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about SFIX Incorporated, traded at NASDAQ, ticker name SFIX. Well, SFIX is very interesting stock since it's now actually entering to very interesting wavy behavior and seems like a new uptrend wave is just being formed. So it's very hot to buy and to discuss. Therefore, let's to understand the levels where we can buy and sell. Let's have a look to its general behavior. Well, this time we start from April, beginning of April. Actually, after the pre-COVID of 16th of March, it made one wave up and down and then stabilized on April 6th. And then actually it started its recovery sequence here, and we clearly can see that recovery sequence took place in so-called Z mode or Z wave. So it started in April and then lasted until 8th of June. By the way, that's also the day when many other stocks finished its upwards trend. And here we made two waves. One was reconfirming this trend one line at the beginning of May, and then another longer wave started that finished actually at June 8th. And then what happened, we had a stabilization line with slight declining window here, channel here, and then it's trend 2 line. It made also two waves, one smaller wave that ended somewhere 20th of June, and then a bigger double wave, or you can say broken wave, one bigger wave that slightly decelerated and then reconfirmed on the trend 2, simultaneously also using moving average 200, the red line here, as additional support. By the way, we have three moving averages here depicted with green, blue, and the red lines being moving averages 20, 50, and 200. So actually here at the beginning of August, we were volatiling with this stock at moving average 200 and the trend 2 line. It actually worked here as a double support. Meanwhile, magic cross down took place actually at the beginning of August, and then it's still the price held on it. And then we can now also see the moving average 20 starting from middle of August turned to acceleration mode. So it was positive, and also its first and second derivatives were positive. So now it's actually in accelerated mode, and we are just a couple of days trading sessions before the magic cross up, when the moving average 20 will cross moving average 50 from the bottom, and this should indicate some positive upwards movement here if we imagine it would continue moving average 50 and 20. Also, if you look the latest three candles formation, it's actually nothing but a flagging up, which we have like a long white body, and then we have one red doji, and then we have a smaller one like a white doji. This combination is overall considered to be kind of positive flagging stabilization before another movement up. So this is what we have. Also, it's important to note here that the letter doji is actually sitting exactly on moving average 50 here, as you can see it here as well. So that's where actually drawing in a magnification the picture in the green circle. And for the price action, it just should mean that the price action for these conditions is usually reversing, so it should be flagging up. And this is also proposed by RSI. If you look, RSI is constantly increasing, heading towards overbought situation, as we also saw it on previous waves on tops. So once wave goes to the maximum, it's usually strongly in overbought, and we are still facing that direction. So we are facing this area above 70. And also, if you look at MACD, well, here it's not really conclusive, but here you see a double positive wave, like rebouncing, also confirming momentum, but not being actually the momentum driver in this case, which doesn't really matter because just on candles and moving averages wise and RSI wise, it's a very strong momentum. So from this we can conclude also, if we continue actually the trend lines here, we can see that moving average 20 is now creating a new trend line, and this is trend line 3. Actually, it's a positive trend line. And having said this, we see formation of the classical zigzag upwards trend, T1, then T2 correction, and T3 further acceleration. Meaning that actually tomorrow the price action either might immediately jump up or still sit on moving average 50. In both cases, it's a good point to buy. If any further piercing happens, it's very strong then to buy, and then moving average 200 will of course be here as a super strong support. It's not even given that it will go to that circle. And still it's Friday, last trading session. Actually, we might see some depletion here also, and then from next week the positive wave start is expected from all classical chart analysis points of view. If only some bad catalyst will not come, this should be up. In that sense, it's an immediate buy call for tomorrow if the price is somewhere in the vicinity of green or dark circles, and dark circles just strong buy. We will do also our game here starting from tomorrow. So SFIX is interesting one. Now you know what to do, how to play, so good luck with it. Also, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss our new videos and new opportunities for US based stocks.